Let's make a drawing of this figure in front of us. Okay, so first we need to check it. Here we come, we see the dimensions are in millimeters. So what we're gonna do now is we go there, new, we say metric, standard millimeters, then we go create. Then we're gonna choose our drawing plane. We go for the first rectangle. There you go. So this is our first rectangle. There is our second one. Okay. There is our third one. Then comes our last one. There we go. So here, from there to there, we have 30. Okay. Then from there to there, we have 64. Okay, and then from there to there we have 1717. Okay, this one here will be from there to there, that one will be 12 millimeters. Okay, and this one here will be 12 as well, 12. Now from there to there, that one there will be 22, and this one here from there to there, that's one need to be 40, so 40. Good. And now from there to there, we need to have 64 minus 12, we have 52 divided by 2, we have 26 there. And this whole thing from there to there, you need to have 75. Now we have our frame. Okay, now we need to come for this. Okay, so we come back here, we say sketch again, we need to draw this. So from there to there, and from there to there. Now we need to have 60 degrees there. So from there to there, come on, escape, so I do it properly. So from there to there, we need to have 60 degrees, so 60. Okay, from there to there, we need to have 60 degrees as well, so 60. Great. Okay, we have that in place. We can save in a sketch. Okay, now we come here, we say 3D mode or extrude. We're going to extrude this part here, that's one, and that's one, by 100. So 100. Okay, we say enter. Right, then we're gonna come back here, sketch, we right click on our mouse, and then we say visibility there, visibility on. Then you can see our sketch again. Then we say extrude. We're going to extrude this part here. We can start with that part by 15 millimeters, so 15. After that, we're gonna extrude this other part there, that's one, the one you're seeing there, or the one that you're seeing here again, by 85. Okay, so we take 85 millimeters, so 85. Good, we say okay. After that, we're going to say visibility. You right click on the sketch, visibility off. Okay, and then we come back there again. What did I say? Sorry, escape. I meant we come back here, we come there, we click there. We need to put our chamfer now, so we need to go there, right? So now that's one, we need to go down by 40, so 40. That's so now 40, sorry, 40. Okay, and this side there, from there to there by 70. Okay, we say okay. All right, now we're gonna come here. Okay, we go there, we click, we need to click that one there. Now we're gonna come back there, we need to click that one there by 16. The same apply there. We say okay. Now you have your drawing. So what you need to do next is to choose your material. So you're gonna come here, you choose the material that you want. You can go for gold if you want. Okay. You can go for copper. Where's copper? There we go. See, now you have your drawing. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourselves. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Especially, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.